Tiptoeing, also known as tiptoe walking or heel-toe walking, is the act of walking on the balls of the feet, with the heels lifted off the ground. While it may seem like a simple and perhaps even a silly exercise, tiptoeing can actually have several benefits for overall health. One of the main benefits of tiptoeing is that it can help to improve balance and stability. This is because when walking on the balls of the feet, the body is forced to engage the muscles in the legs and core in order to maintain balance. This can help to improve overall balance and stability, which can be especially beneficial for older adults or individuals who are at risk of falls. Tiptoeing can also help to improve the strength and flexibility of the feet and ankles. When walking on the balls of the feet, the muscles and tendons in the feet and ankles are stretched and contracted, which can help to improve their flexibility and strength. This can be especially beneficial for individuals who suffer from foot or ankle pain or injuries. In addition, tiptoeing can also help to improve the overall cardiovascular fitness. When walking on the balls of the feet, the body is forced to work harder to maintain balance, which can lead to an increase in heart rate and blood flow. This can help to improve overall cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Lastly, tiptoeing can also be a fun and enjoyable way to exercise. It can be done indoors or outdoors, and can be incorporated into a variety of different activities, such as walking, running, or playing sports. It can also be a fun way to challenge yourself and try new things. Overall, tiptoeing has many benefits for overall health, including improving balance and stability, strength and flexibility of the feet and ankles, cardiovascular fitness, and is a fun way to exercise. It is a low-impact activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and fitness levels.